Hey y'all, does it ever happen where you've got a lot of listing to do and all you want to do is source? Well, that's how I feel. I've got a few visits that I've already made today. I got a few that I've got to hit around town. So while I'm out, I'm going to make a few stops at the old honey hole. Have a couple of those I'm going to hit today. Also, I'm going to try to run by. We got a thrift store, a Salvation Army, and a Goodwill. And it's been, well, I don't know if I have ever taken you along with me inside of the honey hole or things of the such. So I'm gonna see if I can make that happen today. I don't have my backpack. I just gonna have the GoPro. So I may film a little bit and kind of see if we can come up with anything cool. So to be continued. I wonder if the adventure of a full-time pastor, a part-time reseller, would be interesting, informative, or entertaining. Find out on this episode. The man, the myth, the legend. Maybe not a myth or a legend. Ladies and gentlemen, Reverend Resale. Oh my goodness. You got them on both sides. Can I get one of your boxes?
Yeah.
Actually, I'll get those too.
Did I just put a box in that? Or was I yesterday? Got my days.
Okay. No, it's fine. I mean, if you don't have a box, I can just put them in one of these. You don't have to dump all that out. I'm fine. I can just
Look, we're about to do this.
You're a good lady. All right, folks, stop number one. Yes, I have stopped at the honey hole, and the honey hole paid off. I have bought a lot of things at the honey hole. I don't believe I've ever spent $428 at the honey hole. I bought 200 items. Even buying them in that big of a lot, I don't mind giving them $2 a piece. That's what they sell them for, so they're good to me. So I don't mind paying that price. This stuff here sells. I bought 61 of these. This is ROC anti-aging product. I sell it all the time. I've probably already bought 60 of these from them. I give them $2. I get $37.99. So this is $30 each. So 6 times 3 is 180. Add a 0. That's $1,800 profit. That's without fees, of course, everything. So that's about $1,500 profit that I just made off this item. This also sells. I would assume that these are not in stock anymore, or they're discontinued items. I just bought 139 of these at $2 a piece. So 139 of these at $2 a piece. These are good sellers. I can't remember exactly. I know I sold these individually for about $10 a piece, and I have them in lots of 3 for like $26. I'm not 100% positive on that. I'll put up my listing on whichever side that I have room to put the listing on, and I'll share with you this sale. So all in all, back there, I probably have $3,000 worth of profit at one stop today. One stop, $3 grand. I'll take it. Let's see if the luck continues. Now, I'm gonna be stopping at our local Goodwill. I can hit a home run at the Goodwill, or I can get nothing at the Goodwill. So let's see what happens. Goodwill strikes again. Absolutely nada, nothing. I think a lot of Josh said the other day, this place has jokes. That one didn't have any jokes today. Pretty bad. Man.
What's up, Rich, man?
Oh, I don't know about that. What you talking about? All right, I'm back here at the house, and I just wanted to share with you, I did not make many stops today where I had great luck, but I did have one stop. I made 5 or 6 stops today at different places, and only purchased 2 items. I purchased 200 items, but only 2 specific items. I bought 131 of one and 139 of one and 61 of another. So I just want to be conservative and share with you how much I think I can make in profit. Not in net, not in gross sales, but profit. I bought 131 of these. 131 of these, I believe conservatively, I will be able to make $5 a piece. That's $655. $655. On these, I believe I can make at least $30 profit. At least $30 profit. I bought 61 of these times 30. That's $1,830 plus $655. So that is $2,485 profit I should be able to make off these 2 boxes in the back seat of my car. That's what eBay does for me. eBay is a great resource where I can go at one place, I can spend $428 and I can turn it into $2,500, and I didn't have to stop anywhere else today, and that profit was going to be made. Now, of course, it may take me 2 or 3 months before I get that total. This is a conservative number. I may be able to sell them for more. You know, if the sales continue to keep going as fast as they are, I may even raise my price on these if that's what the market states. So if you watch this far, this is kind of the adventure that I go on. I share these reselling adventures with you on YouTube. I appreciate you watching. If you've watched this far, give me, subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that bell every time a video or I go live. It'll share with you, give you that notification. But I appreciate you watching. I really, really do. I thank you for watching. I have now, I think, over 200 subs. For some, that seems to be a very small number, but I'm honored that there's 200 people to be willing to watch me share this adventure on YouTube. So I do appreciate you. If you are already subscribed or going to subscribe to the channel, I appreciate you a bunch. As always, I know no other way of closing out a video than saying deuces and may God bless. See, I told you he wasn't a myth or a legend, just a regular dude selling on eBay. Thanks for watching.